Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neej Karia, the science teacher of class 7. So dear student, today is chapter 9 for soil and concept in modules. So dear student, today's concept of module soil erosions and soil and crops. Soil erosion and soil and crop. First one is start is soil and crops. Different kinds of soil are found in different regions because of the following factors that decided the soil structure of that place. Different kinds of soils are found in different regions because of the following factors that decide the soil structure of that place. The first one is temperature, second is humidity, third is rainfall, fourth is sunlight, and fifth is winds. The first one is temperature, humidity, rainfall, sunlight, and winds. The type of crop that will grow in the soil depend upon these factors as well as the properties of a soil. The type of crops that will grow in the soil depend upon these factors as well as the properties of a soil. The type of soil and crop grown. So first one is sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. So first one is sandy soil. Sandy soil is potato, lettuce, corn, peppers, and clay soil, sprouts, broccoli and kale, beans, cabbage, and loamy soil, apples, carrots, tomato, cauliflower. So dear student, the type of soil and crop grown on the sandy, clay and loamy and different crop in the potato, lettuce, corn, peppers, in the sandy soil and clay soil is sprouts, bronchi, kale, beans, cabbage, and loamy soil is apples, carrot, tomatoes, and cauliflower. Soil erosion. Soil erosion. What is the mean of the soil erosion? So the removal of land surface by the water, wind, or ice is known as erosion. The student, the removal of land surface by water, winds, or ice is known as the erosion. The topsoil is a very fertile and in the observe of it. The topsoil is very fertile and in the observe of it the plants cannot grow. In the absence of plants the soil becomes loose. In the absence of plants the soil becomes loose. As the plant roots wind to the soil, as the plant roots wind to the soil, soil erosion is the mainly caused by the large scale cutting of forest, tree and plants. Soil erosion is mainly caused by the large scale cutting of forest, trees and plants. So this process of cutting down of tree is called deforestation. This process of cutting down of the tree is called deforestation. So dear student, this is the process of cutting down of tree is called deforestation. As the plant's roots binds to the soil, soil erosion is mainly caused by the large scale cutting in of forestry and plants. Erosion of soil is the more surface serve in the area of the little or no surface vegetations like the deserts or land. Therefore, cutting of tree and deforestation must be prevented. Erosion of soil is more survive in the areas of little or non-surface vegetation like the desert or worn land. Therefore, the cutting of tree and deforestation must be prevented. So, therefore, cutting of tree and deforestation must be prevented. So, erosion of soil is more serve in the areas of little or no surface vegetation like the desert or worn land. The effect of soil erosion are famines, flood, deforestation, and damage of spoiling of the environment. The effect of soil erosion are famine, the flood, deforestation, desertifications, and damage or spoiling of the environment. What is soil erosion? What is soil erosion? Soil erosion, what when the top layer of the soil gets removed, it is called soil erosion. When the top layer of soil gets removed, it is called soil erosion. The soil erosion mainly occurs when the soil is left loose without vegetation or when deforestation occurs. The soil erosion mainly occurs when the soil is left loose without vegetation or when the deforestation occurs. In such as the situation, strong winds and flowing water or rainwater take away the topsoil and therefore decrease its quality. In such as the situation, strong winds and following water or rainwater takes away the topsoil and therefore decrease its quality. Also, this kill the organism living inside the soil. Also, this kill the organism living inside the soil. The root of the plants and tree keep the soil together and allow several the microorganisms to grow and survive there. Therefore, it is the allow advised to the plant more tree and avoid deforestation. So therefore, it is the always advised to plant more tree and avoid the deforestation. The root of the plants and tree keep the soil together and allow the several microorganisms to grow and survive there. So therefore, it is the allow the advice to plant more tree and avoid the deforestation. So dear student, today I send you the PDF file of this chapter, so please download this and complete is the exercise on your note copy and also send me. Dear students, thank you.